Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today's lockdown healthy recipe is a healthy chocolate cake for children as well as for adults without maida, eggs, refined sugar, refined oil, milk or even butter. As a mother, I'm always trying to make healthy food and snacks for my children. If you are a regular on my channel, then you know I create healthy recipes and I prefer not to use refined products in my recipes. With lockdown and with the whole family at home, those with children knows that when they are at home, they need to snack. So why not try this healthy cake for them during this stay at home period? So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To a large bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup water. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm first adding in 1 cup water and then I'm adding in 1/3 cup virgin coconut oil, or you can use any unrefined oil you have at home right now. Then add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, squeeze in half of a lemon. That is, it should be about 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add in 1 cup coconut sugar. Now if you don't have coconut sugar, you can use jaggery powder. With a hand beater or with a whisk, blend this well until the coconut sugar or jaggery has dissolved. Add in 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, also known as soda powder. Add in 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and with a spatula I'm lightly mixing the flours, and then with my hand blender I'm lightly mixing it up. You can also use a whisk or a spatula to mix this. And once mixed, the batter is ready. Since I'm making this cake for children, I'm adding in ½ cup chocolate chips. But it is optional. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can totally omit it. Now into the chocolate chips, I'm adding in ½ teaspoon whole wheat flour and I'm lightly mixing it up. Now what this does is it prevents the chocolate chips from sinking down to the bottom while the cake is getting baked. It also helps to disperse the chocolate chips evenly in the cake batter. Let me also mention that the whole wheat flour I'm using is kapli wheat flour, also known as emmer wheat. The reason why I use kapli wheat in my recipes is that it has a very weak gluten molecule when compared with modern processed wheat. However, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. At this point, I have already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius and I have greased a baking pan with virgin coconut oil, and I've also placed a parchment paper on the greased baking pan. And as you can see, I have left some paper on the sides. It will help to pull out the cake from the cake pan once it is baked. Now pour the cake batter into the pan and level the top with the spatula. Sprinkle some chocolate chips and some chopped cashew nuts and bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once baked, allow it to cool down a little and remove from the pan. And once cooled down, slice and serve. See how moist and soft the healthy chocolate cake is. Kids will enjoy this double chocolate cake and you can proudly say they are enjoying a healthy, eggless and dairy-free cake. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate cake and let me know how it turned out. You can send me pictures on Instagram and on Facebook, and I would love to know how much your children enjoyed the cake. Stay safe everyone and be at home. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.